Do you enjoy visiting your friends?
Do you know how to have a friendly conversation in English?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about visiting a friend.
Let's improve our English together.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.
Today's lesson will help you learn useful English for visiting friends.
Hi, it's so nice to see you.
Hi, it's great to see you too.
Thanks for inviting me.
You're very welcome. Please come in.
Thank you. Your house looks beautiful.
Thanks. I cleaned it this morning.
It feels very warm and comfortable.
I'm glad you like it.
I brought some cookies for you.
That's so thoughtful. Thank you. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. A cup of tea would be nice.
Sure, I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Here you are.
It smells wonderful.
How have you been lately?
I've been busy with work, but I'm doing well.
I'm happy to hear that.
What have you been doing recently?
I've started learning how to bake.
Really? That's exciting.
Yes, I made these cookies myself.
They're delicious.
Thank you. I'm still learning.
I'd love to learn baking too.
Maybe we can bake together next time.
I'd love that.
Do you have any plans for next weekend?
Not yet.
Would you like to go to the park together?
That sounds like fun.
We could also have a picnic.
Great idea.
I'll bring sandwiches.
I'll bring some fruit and drinks.
Perfect.
Thank you for inviting me today.
You're always welcome.
I had a wonderful time.
Me too. It was nice catching up.
Let's meet again soon.
Definitely.
Take care.
You too. Have a safe trip home.
Goodbye.
See you soon.
Great job listening to today's conversation.
We hope you learned useful English expressions for visiting friends.
Practice listening and speaking English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this lesson.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.